All right, y'all, we back. I don't know how much of that y'all should seen and shit. This shit cut out. Fuck you putting your head back for?
I ain't put my head back.
I just seen your fat ass nog and go all the way back to the CeeLo, bro. And what a bad bitch be at, gang. We should pull up to a bad bitch house. He said ain't shit over here. Bro, what's the chance like your engine throw a rod?
Throw a rod is crazy.
Bro, I seen somebody on TikTok do that shit, gang. And they whole engine bay was fucking fried up, bro, on fire and shit. Damn, can we not go? What the fuck going on? What's your take with fat bitches on their period, little bro?
What did you talk about? Where did that come from?
What is he doing?
Yeah, he just said it looking stupid too. He just said it now, like.
Get a hold of this guy. I should have turned left. I said I was gonna turn left. I ain't gonna lie, there's a lot of blind spots in this bitch. And I don't know if it's because I ain't touched none of your mirrors, and this is how you got it set up, or I don't even know, bro.
You gotta just pull it out. You might as well not adjust it this much. You might as well adjust this shit back.
Nah, I gotta adjust all your shit now. But I'll be the bad guy if I smack that shit across the world and shit. This bitch not bulletproof though.
You think so?
You wanna find out?
It depends what the fuck you mean, how fast you're going.
You wanna find out right now?
Yeah,
I think we should find out right now, little bro.
trust me, I'm pulling up.
Yeah, bro, we in a striker though, man. No bullshit, man. You feel what I'm saying? We in a striker in the most dangerous area in the world right now.
Are you talking about the police?
Yeah, police-wise. We like top 5 police-wise in the United States, bro. I think so, bro. Lately, though, I don't know what the fuck they been on lately, but shit, usually, damn, look at that Corvette.
Damn. Fucking run like get next to me.
Shit, I would if they had was turning. Damn, police all right there. Damn. What the fuck was that though?
My keys.
Your keys?
They got a Durango.
They got a Durango?
Yeah.
Like they pulled over Durango?
No, they got a police with Durango right there.
Yeah, these was your keys and shit. You think we should go straight or turn right?
What the fuck is right?
Shit, I don't know, bro. I'm just yapping, bro. My shit only 3 minutes right now. Cause I wanted it, yo, man.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you did anything to your exhaust, but if you want to do something, go to Big Boy mufflers. I had them on my V6. They sound amazing. What the fuck? That's a muffler, Sean?
Out here?
I don't know. He's
All
on
right.
some Big Boys mufflers. Bro, niggas on my POVs know exactly what the fuck I be driving. That shit be scary.
Where you be driving at?
Hell yeah.
And you be talking about me?
Like, bro, I don't talk about where I be at.
I don't
I
either.
don't be driving around the same place. Like,
Shit, I do.
These niggas know the exact city. They talking about, damn, you in Calumet City? Damn, you in Chicago Heights? One nigga named the whole block I was driving through. Gang, that shit was crazy.
They trying to get your ass. They looking for you. Why your wheel be moving like that? But it just be start wiggling by itself and shit. Damn, I can't even talk. We did like 4 times since I've been driving. Let me find out your axle gone. Let me find out your ass need an alignment. I can't tell if somebody behind me on my left or not. You know what I say? I say we say fuck it. That shit just blow back?
What?
Your car.
What you mean?
You ain't hear that shit?
No.
Sound like a purple back gang. Your shit blow bubbles?
I don't know, sometimes.
Do you want to get pulled over? And switch seats?
Switch seats is crazy. I'm saying right up.
Nah, we switching seats, gang.
I ain't switching shit with nobody.
You think, bro, can you get pulled over for getting driving fast in somebody else's car you not on the insurance?
I'm pretty sure you can't get pulled over.
Now, obviously you would get pulled over, but can you get like arrested or something?
Probably, bro.
You want to find out?
That's probably if a cop a dickhead, they gonna arrest you, yeah.
You want to find out? I think we should find out, bro. I want to get in that right lane so bad, but I can't even see.
So, yeah.
I can't? We going to jail. Oh shit, who that is? That bitch say woo. On God, that bitch say woo. We switching seats.
Right up.
You said what?
I was like, right up.
Nah, G, we switching seats, gang.
Luckily not.
We switching seats, gang.
I already posted in the, I think, I don't know, I'm supposed to have a court date coming up soon.
For what? That one ticket?
Yeah, I ain't never pay that bitch.
That ass trolling, they gonna get your ass.
I can't pay that bitch, it's the same shit going on. I'm not going all the way up to Chicago to pay no ticket either, but there's like send no documents.
So you ready to go to, oh wait, Chicago for a court date?
Probably, I don't know.
I ain't gonna lie, if I was just breathing hard as hell in the mic, I apologize. For whatever reason, my mouth was just open. Pause. Oh shit, I'm all in the other lane and shit. Damn, it's a Mustang right here. You said what?
I was just saying some bullshit, I'm sure.
What's your take on bad bitches on their period, little bro?
That's what I'm saying.
Like, anyway, they make a whole song. I might have to put the song in this motherfucking video.
About that shit.
I'm gonna throw your shit into the sign and shit. Damn. What's the chances of the other scat outside today? Huh?
And this weekend, but it ain't probably somewhere in the city.
It's right there.
Bro.
Yeah, but somebody parking there.
Yeah.
Is there a parking spot open?
Nah.
Hell no. Damn, it's another one. It's a V6 though. Roll the window. Roll the window down. Roll the window down.
Damn, that shit like my shit. Yeah, you got a, what's the name of this shit?
What?
You got an alarm, I can tell. That bitch look wrong as fuck.
Damn, only there was a parking space open, man.
Yeah, you can park right next to a V6 and shit. That's probably his homie all the time.
Oh God.
He got a mama. I see that shit.
Then we could have parked next to a V6 Chrysler, bro. All right, let me know how close I am. I can't see shit. I think I'm in like 3 lanes right now.
You can stop right now. You can stop. You can stop. The curve, shit.
All right, y'all. This is the Dodge Charger point of view. Y'all get one of these every like 3 months and shit. You feel what I'm saying? Now I gotta buy him something to eat and shit. Like the bad bitch he is, princess treatment and shit. Bro, what's your take on my driver, bro? If you rate my driver 1 through 10, how would you rate it, little bro?
Shit. Like, what you mean, like, in general?
Why you look like that? The camera and shit.
Like, in general?
Yeah, bro, in general.
Like, an 8.5.
Bro, say 8.5 out of 10. How would you rate your drive?
It depends. What you talking about?
Just driving in general, bro.
Just driving normally?
Driving normally, and if you had to get out of a situation, what would you rate your driving skill?
I don't know, bro. Like, I feel like I can cut up for sure, but like, I don't know. I be having my days, I be zoned the fuck out, so I'll probably say like a 7.
I ain't gonna lie, them zoned out driving days be the hit. I ain't gonna lie, them bitches be it.
Nigga, I be in them 2 different lanes.
Oh, I don't got that problem. I just be nah. You be, I be zoned the fuck out. I be confused how I be getting to places and shit. Sometimes I ain't gonna lie. But if y'all enjoyed the video, man, make sure like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully y'all see a Mustang video soon. I'm hoping. Hopefully he don't sell me. But we gonna see what's happening later on, man. No bullshit.